Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up a VPN on your smart TV to access geo-restricted content and enhance privacy, follow these step-by-step instructions for a successful configuration. Step 1. Choose a reliable VPN service that supports smart TV connections. Popular options include ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark, which offer dedicated smart TV apps or router support. Step 2. If your smart TV supports VPN apps directly, go to your TV's app store and search for your VPN provider's app. Download and install it on your smart TV. Step 3. Open the VPN app on your smart TV and log in using your VPN account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to subscribe to the VPN service first. Step 4. If your smart TV doesn't support VPN apps, you'll need to configure VPN on your Wi-Fi router instead. Access your router's settings by entering its IP address in a web browser. Step 5. In your router settings, navigate to the VPN section and enter your VPN provider's server details, including server address, username, and password. Consult your VPN provider's setup guide for specific details. Step 6. Connect to a VPN server location of your choice. Select a server in the country whose content you want to access, then click Connect. Step 7. Once connected, verify your VPN is working by checking your IP address on your smart TV's web browser. It should show the location of your VPN server. Step 8. Test your connection by opening streaming apps like Netflix or Hulu to confirm you can access content from your selected VPN location. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.